We use RPA and Generative AI to analyze contracts of our B2B customers and to check information in the IT systems, CRM, billing, etc. To compare these, the process before the automation and after. We used a back office to make the activities manually, and these back offices normally 20 or 30% of the activities. With the automation where we can do 100%. We also are faster than the old process. We used to spend 30 minutes to analyze the whole thing, and now 1 minute. The tasks are fully automated right now, so it's very important. And with this, we don't have more customer complaints about wrong invoice in the B2B market. At this moment, 14 projects in parallel, generating revenue efficiency and customer experience improvements. Some millions of dollars of revenues and OPEX reduction, as is a global enterprise, so they innovate fast. Proof of this is how Automationware accelerated Gen AI in its products. It was very fast.